How to add page no in Word. This will allow you to add page numbers to your Microsoft Word document, whether you're on Mac or PC, just a regular Microsoft laptop. The first step is to click Insert in the top left hand corner toolbar. Then you'll want to see page number along that top toolbar there. It should be near the middle. You can click on that drop down first of all. Then I recommend clicking on Format Page Number. So then you'll be able to pick different things. Potentially you might want it not just as 1, 2, 3 like that. You got a few different settings there. You could start it as 0 potentially if you're doing it as like an opening document, or you could start it as 1. Most people will. Then once you format those settings, you can go to page number. There you can position it into different places. Most people want it bottom right, so you can go ahead and choose that as you wish in there. So that's the usual settings like this. You can show number on first page or not, you can tick that. But once you're all done, click OK, and then there you can see at the bottom right hand corner you have your page no. Leave a like on the video for help, and subscribe for more helpful videos.